In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a Miro board. By the end, you'll know exactly how to export your board in the right format and get a clean, reliable printout. Start by opening the Miro board you want to print. Take a moment to look over the content you plan to include. If you've organized your work into frames, that's ideal because frames act like pages and make printing much more predictable. If your board is large or dense, decide what truly needs to appear on paper so you can keep things readable. Next, head to the top right corner of your board and click Export. You'll see options to export as PDF or export as image. PDF is usually the best choice for multi-page documents, presentations, or when you want crisp text and vector shapes. Images are great for single snapshots or when you need a quick graphic to drop into another document or slide. If you're using images, PNG typically preserves higher quality and transparency compared to JPG. After choosing your format, tailor the export settings, select which frames you want to include, or choose the whole board if that's your goal. If you want precise control over what prints on each page, stick to frame-based exporting. Adjust resolution or scale so small text stays legible on paper. Higher scale or DPI will produce a sharper print but larger file sizes. Look for layout options that let you control page arrangement, such as fitting content to page, keeping aspect ratio, adding or removing background, and managing margins. Keep in mind that very wide or tall content may span multiple pages, so using frames to segment your board can save time and prevent awkward breaks. When you're happy with the settings, confirm the export and wait for Miro to generate the file. Save it to your computer in a location you'll remember and give it a clear name so you can find it quickly. Once downloaded, open the file and review it on screen to make sure everything appears as expected. Now it's time to print. Open your PDF or image in your preferred viewer and use the print dialog. Choose your printer, paper size and orientation, check the preview carefully, and set scaling to fit to page or 100% as needed to avoid cropping or unwanted margins. If your print looks faint or blurry, go back and export at a higher resolution or use PDF for sharper text. When the preview looks good, hit print. That's it. Export, download, and print. Clean and simple.